And welcome to my playhouse and to the bathroom upstairs. I have a little bit of a task here that I want to try and complete. It's just a minor thing. If you see here behind me, now I've moved out of the way, but I have a door here that, well, it goes out into the hallway. We can close it. There. There is a door there. And there is a tiny gap here between the tiles and the door, and the same thing over here. The room is so small that the top, there is nothing there. There is nothing that needs to be done there, so that is fine. But we need to put on some pretty stuff here, and I have purchased some. I am not entirely sure what they're called, but yeah, as this is a bathroom and potentially the floor could get wet, so I purchased these in plastic so they can't rot or do anything other stupid. The bottom of the door down here, that is wood, and the door itself is wood, but well, that thing is plastic just so that nothing bad can happen. Let's open the, oh, you can see me. Hi. So let's open the door again. So my idea is that I should just glue these on. I cheated and I made them fit without you. So yeah, I should just be able to put some glue on them and glue them onto that. I don't have very many clamps to clamp them, so I can probably only do one at a time. But yeah. Let's do that one. Let's just make sure that it still fits. It did 2 minutes ago, so it's probably still okay. So yeah, that's fine. So, and it's a little bit wobbly, so it will be good with some glue. So let's bring this, and we need to find some glue. Oh, there is the stuff where I let's see, that's the one that needs to be glued. This is the one that I don't need to mess up. Oh, good thing I have my safety slippers. Put that out of the way. I'm not gonna shorten it anymore, so we can put this out of the way. So, and we can put it on the table. I have some. This is some very cheap, quick fix, and it's a mounting glue, Universal Montagelim. That's mounting glue for mounting stuff, like a mirror or a broken house, apparently wood. So I'm gonna try that. I also cut the bottom of the door so that if there is a little bit of water, it shouldn't really get out. Yeah, this was some expensive stuff. Just because it has the right color. Yeah. Gonna make this so that it can give us a decent amount of glue. There. And we're gonna open this up. I hope this isn't too old and too dry, but we will find that out. Oh, it's a brownish color. Ah, we don't need that one. Let's hope it comes out of the bottle. We're gonna be doing some cocking around. Oh, well, it's glue. This is a very nice plastic material. It's made locally here. It's very nice that it doesn't rot or it doesn't do anything. So I'm gonna keep it probably a little bit from the edges. I'm gonna scratch it a little bit. There we are. So let's see if this one will come out or if it's too old. I was actually gonna use this one for that. I think we're good. Yeah, this is fine. Okay, that's one side. Now we're gonna very smoothly turn around. That must be enough glue, I'm sure. I hope. Okie dokie. So it shouldn't matter which end is up and which is down. Oops. I don't want it to go all the way out. How do I space that out? I need something. Yeah, that's gonna do work. These are the is used between the tiles. So if I put it there. I have a problem. The glue is not touching at all. Nah, that's not gonna work. Back to the drawing board. Okay, I put some more glue on. I'm not sure, but it feels like this glue is not exactly. It doesn't stick very well to start with. So let's see. Need to go there. Okay, now there's way better connection. Okay, I need something to tighten that. Will this do? Okay. I should really have some more clamps, especially the price of them. I can only find 4. I'll go hunting for some more. Found one more. I should have purchased some more of those. So now that the glue is closer to the edge of this thing, the glue is being pressed out. So I have this scraper thing. It's a plastic thingy. Where are we? I believe that can remove it. Should probably wait until it's a little bit drier. Does remove it. So we'll give it 10 minutes or something. It's a little bit like gum. Okay, so it has dried for half an hour. And it's kind of like removing chewing gum. Okay, I have removed a lot lot of the leftover. That's on here. I still need to remove some more, but yeah, it's not looking too bad. Okay, that was today's extremely short and boring video. What did I do? I glued a piece of plastic onto my wall. That's about it. So yeah, I would have liked to do the other one as well, but as I only have those clamps, 5, I don't have enough. I do believe that I have enough glue to do the other one, but I am 5-ish clamps short. So I'm gonna let this dry for a couple of days, and then I might do the other one without you. But yeah, that's how it goes. I do a little bit up here now and then, but it's not much. So thank you very much for watching this waste of time video. Do subscribe to my channel so that you can see me again, and have a really nice day. Bye.